What's up guys? A new report from DigiTimes claims that the iPhone 14 will adopt TSMC's 4nm process for its chips next year, as opposed to moving more quickly to 3nm. DigiTimes states Apple is expected to take a slower approach to moving its iPhone chips to more advanced manufacturing nodes. The vendor is likely to adopt TSMC 4nm process for its next generation iPhone chips rather than migrate further to 3nm. The ever-shrinking building blocks that make up the chips at the heart of Apple's best iPhones allow for future models to be even smaller and more energy efficient. TSMC unveiled its 4nm or N4P processor just a couple of weeks ago, stating, TSMC today introduced its N4P process, a performance-focused enhancement of the 5nm technology platform. N4P joins the industry's most advanced and extensive portfolio of leading-edge technology processes, with N5, N4, N3 and the latest edition of N4P. TSMC customers will have multiple and compelling choices of power, performance, area, and cost of its products. TSMC says the process offers performance boost of 11% over N5 and 6% over N4. The former is at the heart of Apple's iPhone 13 announced in September. DigiTimes and others have previously reported that as soon as next year, we could expect to see chips in Apple products based on TSMC's 3nm process. However, Nikkei Asia reported in July of this year that the iPhone 14 would be based on a 4nm chipset. A report earlier this week from The Information stated that 3nm chips are not in the frame of iPhone 14. Regardless, we can expect the A16 chips from Apple to be a decent jump on the A15 Bionic from this year. So that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.